this is Dr. Penguin 2005, and today I'm going to be an unboxing on, please don't be mad at me for not getting this blaster sooner, the Strife! Yeah, finally got this. I don't pull the trigger. So I'm going to do an unboxing and review on this, and see where it goes. Okay, so I'm going to open this properly, like the way you're supposed to. Okay, so sides. Oh, by the way, there's a back thing on the thing, tells you all about it, like the rails, how you fire, the clip system, and yeah, it talks about that. If you want the gun, you probably already know what it does. So, wait, you need to open a little thing to open it? Great. I'm just going to take the blaster out straight away. Hopefully I don't damage it. I'm trying to get the knife in the right position. And pull! 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 Ugh, it's not working. Try a different approach. You know what? I'm just gonna open it now. Ah, there's still things here. That's how you open it. Here's the instructions. We don't need them because we're a proper nerfer. Other parts of the instructions. And the table ties for this gun. There. Taking the table ties off, yeah. Taking the cable ties off, wrong way. Taking the cable ties off, yeah. Taking the cable ties off. They're not even cable ties, I don't even know singing that song. Da 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 da. We got the blaster. Taking this stuff out. Goodbye! And then we've got the blaster. No. Clip system, very simple to take out. Just need to push these back in. Wow. Got it! So this is a clip system gun. It will obviously... Oh, it's also clear on one side and thing on the other. You can see that. Clip system gun, it will work with any clips. I'll go grab my banana clip from the modulus, which I have. There. So here it is. If you want to see a review on this gun, then ask for a review. This clip works with the gun. See, it works with the modulus. Banana clip. Works with the Strife. So I've seen really good videos on this gun. Apparently it's one of the best NERF elite blasters out there. It has one tack rail on top, one barrel extension and one stock port, and it comes with 6 bullets with a 6-star clip. So there. What are you doing? What are you doing on the thing? He's like, everybody, rock your body. It doesn't have batteries in it yet, which it needs. I'm using these batteries. So where's my multi-tool again? Okay. Ooh. Wrong one. Bring the knife back up. Doing some stuff with the multi-tool. Okay, you need a 4 AAA batteries, I think. It's either 4 or 2. Oh, by the way, that's my brother. I'm a waffle. If you see him in the other unboxing videos, he's sick at the moment.
No, I'm not sick. I'm just very coffee.
Anyway,
Coffee.
still taking this back thing out. Taking a while. Do expect another upload.
I'm so
Promise.
bad. I have a pump. Yay! Every 6 hours. Yay!
I'm still trying to take this thing out. Come out. Come out. Got it. So where's the AAA's after? Where did I put them again? Please don't be mad at me if you saw them. I was like, yeah. I'm like, Dr. Penguin, what the hell are you doing? You're like so stupid. Oh my god. Oh, by the way, don't hate on me. I know people.
He knows me. Yeah. Me.
I think I'm going to like this gun when in Nerf Wars.
I love the Nerf person.
Please tell me if I'm
That's how you done.
Yep, tying it right way.
I thought you were.
Okay, so we've got the Spectre. Ooh, you got this on. Yeah.
Yeah. You got
It's compatible with the every stock, I think.
Now you try it there, oops. Noob.
Then there's the other way you can flip. Very nice. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And oh wait, look. Let's see how far. Wait, no.
Do not
shoot. Whoa, that is.
You didn't even. They didn't even see the wall. They can't even see it. No, they can.
You did see it. If you could.
Oh, did you, child?
Yeah, that's the end of this video.
In the next video, unboxing video, I will make an alien out of this, so be prepared.
Anyway, next video, you'll see in a bit. We'll be on in a couple, no, not minutes, maybe like 30 minutes. Anyway, see you guys in the next video. Bye!